How to create an account on DJI Fly App. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded or installed the application on your device. Then you can just go to the app library and open up the application on your device. Then wait until it lands you to the home page of the DJI Fly application. So first of all, you need to make sure you read the DJI privacy policy and agree to its terms of use. Tap on join. And here is your home page right now. So you'll have different options available for now, like store, category, news, service and account. Now to log in, just tap on account. And here you can just tap on the login now option. So here you can just continue with your Google account as well. Tap on continue with Google. And just wait until it gives you different options of your Gmail account, and you just have to select the one Gmail account that you want to associate with this application on your device. So just choose the application or that you want to associate for the Google account, and there you go, you have created your account over here, and you can now go through the application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.